Good morning, Elizabeth. Oh, look at that face, those eyebrows. What are you thinking about? Did you see your birds? Did you see your birds this morning? Oh, so serious. Quite the thinker. Hmm? Quite the thinker this morning. Good morning, Elizabeth. Good morning, Ellie. How are you this morning? There's a smile. Oh, and there's your tongue. You've recently discovered your tongue. It's very fascinating. Yes. Oh, and you're kicking. You're kicking. So you're very busy this morning. A busy, busy girl. Busy, busy girl. Hi. 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 Oh. Oh, those eyebrows. Are you thinking about something important? Are you making world plans for world domination? Yeah. Oh, look at that face. Oh, cheekies. Look at these cheekies. This is so cute. This is so cute. Yeah. Are you talking back? Oh, goodness. See, I just had a bottle and my tummy's full. And we've been singing songs this morning. And now you're probably ready for a nap, huh? Mommy loves his girl. Yeah. And Daddy loves his girl. Are you gonna talk? Are you gonna talk to Mama? Say, oh, I'm busy, busy. I'm busy, busy. I'm busy, busy. Look at his belly. Look at his belly. Hiccup, hiccup. Ellie. Oh, busy. I'm busy girl. Oh, those eyebrows are very expressive. Those eyebrows are very expressive. And look at this hair. Look at this hair. Look